Welcome back to Talk Maya, your daily English companion. Today, we're diving into a practical and super useful topic: how to talk about your daily schedule in natural English. But don't worry, this won't be a boring grammar lesson. We're turning your daily life into fun English practice. Stay with us until the end because we will help you build your own daily schedule in English.
Exactly. And we're going to make it feel real. Stories, conversation, practice, small challenges, everything. Imagine you're listening to two friends helping you improve your English while having fun.
Let's begin with a simple morning. Picture this. Your alarm is ringing, but you don't want to get up.
Sounds like me every day.
Here's Anna's morning routine. I usually wake up at 6:30, but I don't get out of bed right away. I stay in bed for a few minutes checking my phone. Then I get up, brush my teeth, wash my face, and make a cup of coffee. After that, I check my emails and prepare for work. At 8 a.m., I leave the house.
Very natural. Very real. Now, listener, think about your morning. Is it the same as Anna's or totally different?
Let's practice together. Repeat after me, out loud.
I usually wake up at... Pause and say your time.
I brush my teeth and get ready.
Say it. I leave the house at... Fill in your own schedule. Now, let's move into a realistic conversation. What time do you start work?
I start at 8. How about you?
I start at 9. Do you take a break in the morning?
Yes, around 10:30, I take a short break.
That is how daily routine conversations actually sound. Short, simple, clear. Here is your challenge. Describe your morning using 3 sentences. Ready? Follow this pattern. I wake up at... I usually... Then I... Say your answers now.
Now let's move to the evening. This is Tom's schedule.
After work, I usually go to the gym. I exercise for about an hour. Then I go home, cook dinner, and relax. Sometimes I watch YouTube. Around 10 p.m., I get ready for bed and sleep around 11.
Now your turn. Repeat.
After work, I usually...
Say it. In the evening, I... Your turn.
Quick quiz. If someone says, I get up at 7, what does it mean? A. They wake up and leave the bed. B. They start working. C. They eat breakfast.
Correct answer A. I get up means leave the bed.
Now, let's help you create your full daily schedule. Repeat and complete the sentences.
In the morning, I usually... Pause and say it.
In the afternoon, I...
Say your activity. In the evening, I... Add your routine.
At night, I...
Say your final activity of the day.
Great job today! You just practiced real English with real examples.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe and follow Talk Maya for more daily English practice.
Share this lesson with a friend and come back tomorrow for another simple and fun English conversation.
Practice a little every day, and your speaking will improve faster than you expect. See you next time.